Hey there everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I wanted to show you guys something that I've been working on for a couple days now. I am going to send out some thank you gifts, and this is a thank you to everyone who participated in my YouTube swap. So I made something that I needed a box for because I don't want them to break. And so I thought, well, you know what, I don't know what to make. I was gonna do one of those plastic boxes, but I didn't have enough for everyone, so pizza box it is. So guys, I made this little pizza box, really simple. I just put some of this you know, that spooky, you know, cheesecloth thing that you can get at the dollar store, and this is some shimmery paper, and then a spider web, and I put a bling in the center. I put the word spooky on there. That one I used the clear stamp from the recollections that they have right now, so I used the spooky word, and flowers for my stash, some more bling. And I put a little pumpkin, and that little pumpkin I have had for a while now. It comes out of this little jar right here. So all I did was I went ahead and put some black cardstock around it to finish it off a little better, and then I just cut a little half circle so you can open it, and some little banners here, fishtail banners in the front with some glitter. You know me, I have to make things shiny and glittery and whatnot. So then when you open it, I'm not going to show you guys what I'm going to put in there because I want some of it to be a surprise. But so when you open it up, I put my little ticket in there. Oh, and then each one has my little butterfly right there, except the butterfly is black. So anyway, yeah, they're real simple to make, and I just wanted to come and show you what I have prepared for you ladies. And then this one, if you can remember, I had one person that wanted to do the pastel. So she and I are partners. So I went ahead and made hers pastel. And it's basically the same thing. It may have, you know, a couple of different things. For example, this one has a little flower on the top, whereas this one doesn't. It's got the little bling pieces right there, whereas this one doesn't. But this one has that gauze, and this one's like in a lavender color, and this one has that black sheeting thing. I don't know what that little cover, I don't even know what it's called, but anyway, so that's what this one has, and that's what this one has. It's pretty much the same. One other thing that was different, I made her spider pink, and the rest of them are black, and hers I just lined with some green paper on around it, and then right here on hers I just put a little strip of bling, just because she's my partner, and there's just a little bit extra on this one. But yeah, so this is how it came out. Her bling is purple and you know, kind of this is more of a lavender, iridescent lavender. Her butterfly is pink, and this is a teal blue. So this isn't real pastel, but the colors are different. So I don't have a whole lot of pastel stuff, but yeah, so this one is hers, and then on the inside her ticket is pink. There you go. And I just want you ladies to know that I really appreciate you guys jumping on board and helping me with this swap. So this is going to be a little thank you from me to you. So again, thank you for watching, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so. I would appreciate the support, and yeah, feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know which one you thought was better, or not better, but which one you liked more, and I will talk to everybody later. Have a great day.